Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies like a pro, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through Binance spot trading step by step, from the basics to some beginner tips to get started. Also, if you're planning to start trading, use my referral link in the description below to sign up on Binance and claim a red pocket reward as a bonus. Trust me, it's a great way to get started with extra benefits. And one quick note, I don't support futures trading. Spot trading is simple, safe, and a great way to trade with your own funds. Let's dive in. 1. Once you've signed up using my referral link, don't forget to claim your red pocket reward. It's a little boost to help you get started with your first few trades. 2. And remember, stick to spot trading. It's straightforward and keeps your risk limited to your own funds. Futures trading might seem attractive but can be highly risky. I recommend focusing on spot trading to grow your portfolio steadily. 3. And that's it, a simple guide to Binance spot trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. And don't miss out on the bonus. Use my referral link in the description below to sign up and claim your red pocket reward today. If you have questions or need help with trading, drop them in the comments below. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.
Monkey.